Backyard Garden Design Ideas. Welcome to our Backyard Garden Design Ideas. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of backyard gardening, exploring a multitude of creative and practical garden design ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a lush paradise. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just starting your green journey, this video is packed with inspiration and tips that will help you create the garden of your dreams. What you'll discover: small space solutions. Learn how to make the most out of limited space with vertical gardening, raised beds, and clever storage ideas. Planting palettes. Explore beautiful and harmonious plant combinations that will add color, texture, and fragrance to your garden throughout the seasons. Low-maintenance landscaping. Discover low-maintenance plants and design strategies that will save you time and effort while keeping your garden looking stunning. Edible gardens. Get tips on growing your own fresh produce, from crisp vegetables to flavorful herbs, right in your backyard. Creative DIY projects. Unleash your creativity with easy and budget-friendly DIY garden projects, from handmade garden ornaments to unique pathways. Attracting wildlife. Learn how to create a garden oasis that attracts butterflies, birds, and beneficial insects, making your garden a haven for nature. If you found this video inspiring or helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow garden enthusiasts, and subscribe for more gardening tips, tricks, and design ideas. Don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Thank you for joining us on this gardening adventure. Your dream garden awaits.